Ever wondered about the Lotus Pose, or as it's known in Sanskrit, Padmasana? Today, we delve into this classic yoga pose, exploring its steps and benefits to help you better understand its impact on physical and mental health. Let's start with the steps to perform Padmasana. 1. Begin in a seated position. Keep your legs stretched out in front of you. 2. Now take one leg and bend it at the knee, bringing it closer to your body. 3. Do the same with your other leg, bending it at the knee and bringing it closer. 4. Place your hands on your knees or above them. You can also form a mudra, such as the Gyan mudra. 5. Once your mudra is formed, close your eyes and focus inward. 6. Keep your shoulders straight and your spine erect. Remain in this contemplative state for a while. 7. With time, increase your focus and make your breaths longer and deeper. 8. When you're ready to come out of the pose, gently open your eyes and move your body slowly. Now that we have the steps down, let's explore some of the benefits of Padmasana. 1. Mental peace. Padmasana is an excellent pose for meditation and focus. It promotes mental peace and improves concentration. 2. Body posture. With Padmasana, your body can maintain a steady and balanced pose, which is essential for meditation. 3. Breathing capability. Through Padmasana, you can perform pranayama techniques like Anulom Vilom and Brahmari correctly. 4. Hip and knee strength. This pose strengthens the hips and knees. It also aids in improving digestion. 5. Shoulder improvement. Padmasana helps in improving the shoulders and maintains a proper shoulder alignment. 6. Spinal alignment. It also aids in improving the spinal alignment, which contributes to the proper growth of the body. Remember, it might take time to learn Padmasana, so don't rush. Take your time and gradually you'll see the improvements in your physical and mental health. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to Padmasana and its benefits. Remember, yoga is not just about flexibility. It's about focus, breath, and balance. As you practice Padmasana, you'll gain not only increased physical strength and flexibility, but also a greater sense of mental peace and focus. Happy practicing!